Staring at an activation lock screen feels like your device has suddenly turned into a paperweight. Hey, it's Elliot from Crunch. Many users panic and immediately look for expensive third-party repair services, often wasting money on tools that simply do not work. It is incredibly frustrating to be locked out of your own hardware. In this video, I will show you the legitimate, official steps to resolve this lock screen issue independently. We are going to bypass the guesswork and follow the verified recovery path to get your device back in your hands today without spending a dime. You will learn how to identify the specific lock type, verify your ownership status, and navigate the official Apple recovery portal. Avoid those shady websites promising instant results, as they often steal your data. Stick with this guide to regain access safely. Quick legal note before we continue. This guide is for informational purposes only. You must be the original owner or have explicit authorization to unlock the device. Unauthorized attempts to bypass security features may violate terms of service or local laws.
This segment is a paid partnership with Unloxy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unloxy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unloxy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credit safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code.
Many websites pop up when you search for ways to bypass an activation lock, but you must exercise extreme caution. These sites often promise instant results for a fee, yet they frequently serve as phishing portals designed to harvest your personal data or credit card information. If a page asks you to pay for software that claims to magically delete your Apple ID, close that tab immediately. These services lack a connection to Apple servers and cannot actually remove your security status. Instead, they leave you vulnerable to identity theft, while your device remains exactly as locked as before. Your primary goal is to regain access through official, secure channels. Genuine solutions rely on verifying your identity with the company that manufactured your hardware. This process protects your private information and keeps your device software intact. Avoid any site that asks for your login credentials under the guise of an unlock service. Legitimate recovery involves your own email, your own phone number, and your own proof of purchase. By steering clear of these predatory services, you protect your digital footprint and keep your device safe from unauthorized modifications. The activation lock is a security feature designed in particular to prevent unauthorized access if your device is lost or misplaced. When you see that screen, it means the device is linked to an account that still holds the digital keys to the system. No third-party tool can bypass this encryption from the outside. If you cannot remember your own login details, the only path forward is the official account recovery process provided through the manufacturer website. Start by visiting the dedicated support portal to initiate a formal request. You will need your original purchase receipt to prove the device belongs to you. This documentation is the only reliable way to override the lock. Save your hard-earned money and focus your energy on these verified recovery steps. You can resolve this issue by following the official protocol, which remains the most effective and secure method available to you today. To resolve an iPhone lock to owner, you must avoid suspicious third-party sites and focus on official recovery channels. We covered how to identify your device status and why verifying your identity through legitimate means remains the only safe path forward. You now understand how to protect your data while navigating the recovery process.
If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like and subscribe and enable notifications to be informed on future updates and guides.